Hello, thanks for joining Walrus News Now. We have a breaking news report. There is a tornado outbreak occurring in the south right now. According to CNN, it says tornado destroys homes as it races through northern Mississippi. So I'm going to play CNN's video right now.
Rare tornado danger in December. It threatens 45 million people just 2 days before Christmas. You're looking at live pictures, as I said, coming from Clarksdale, Mississippi, and you can see a large funnel cloud building there. Severe winter storms expected to strike many southern states. Thunderstorms have already caused wind damage in parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and Illinois. Let's bring in CNN meteorologist Jennifer Gray. She's been keeping a close eye on these potential tornadoes. Jennifer, how powerful is this storm, the one that's likely to accompany these potential tornadoes?
Well, the biggest problem with these, Jake, the fact that they are moving so fast. They're moving around 55 to 60 miles per hour. And so by the time you get your warning, you have little time to get into your safe spot. So you basically just need to be weather aware, know that these storms are in the area. They are very powerful. As we can see, we've already seen one observed tornado just south of Clarksdale in a town called Belleville. And right now we have that tornado warning in Quitman, about 2,300 people affected, but it is moving very, very fast to the northeast at about 55 to 60 miles per hour. And once it crosses over I-55, a lot of people are traveling, of course, with the holiday season. So that's what we are going to see big problems when this storm gets closer to the interstate. This is a rural part of northern Mississippi. But look at this, the bigger picture here. We have a lot of tornado watches in effect. And in fact, that one tornado warning that we were just talking about is within this one particular box that the Storm Prediction Center has labeled a particularly dangerous situation. And it was right in that bullseye. More than 2 million people within this one tornado watch. It goes until 8 o'clock Central Time tonight. But look at all these boxes, the thunderstorm warnings in orange, the tornado warnings right now in effect in the hot pink. And this is all part of the storm system we've been talking about that's going to continue to push east throughout the night.
The National Weather Service has also issued a tornado emergency declaration for the small town of Holly Springs, which was next in its path, according to the National Weather Service. A tornado emergency means that significant widespread damage is expected with high likelihood of fatalities. At least 4 people were injured in the unincorporated area of Coahoma County known as Bellevue. Board of Supervisors President Paul Pearson said. One person was in critical condition, he said. Here's a tweet from the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center. It says, related to PDS, which stands for Particularly Dangerous Situation, Tornado Watch, favorable for tornadic supercells, capable of strong tornadoes. That is in this area. Right there it says 50 knots. Here are some of the watches issued. Again, here is some of the NOAA's Storm Prediction Center has issued some of the following watch areas issued for northeast Louisiana, eastern Arkansas, northwest and northern Mississippi, and West Tennessee. These are the different alerts issued right now. So thanks for joining Walrus News Now. Have a lovely day.